So hey guys, welcome back to another video friends. Today's video is going to be very interesting for you friends, because in this video I am going to let you know that how could you monetize your app through Google Admob. By the way friends, it's the part 2 of creating app series. If you haven't watched the previous video, in that video I told you that how could you create a professional app for your business or for your website or for your YouTube channel. So friends, must watch that video. You can find that video in the I button, or you could find that video in the description. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, we are on our computer screen. So over here guys, in this video I'm going to let you know that how could you monetize your app through Google Admob. So first of all, you guys have to open your apps dashboard. So your app would be deleted, so just you have to click over here. There should be restore my app. So I have restored my app already. So guys, first of all you have to go in monetize section. So over here guys, this type of interface would be open to you. So just you have to scroll down and leave all these things. If you want to publish your app, you could publish, but right now you just have to connect your Admob account. So we will click on just connect, and over here we have to sign up with our Google Admob account. So I will connect my Google Admob account through this Gmail. So as you can see that friends, my Google Admob account is connected. So over here guys, you can add banner ad and interstitial ad. So guys, just we have to create these ad units. So for this purpose we have to open our Google Admob account. And over here guys, we have to sign in with our, if you haven't created, so you could sign up with your email address. So I have created my Admob account, so I will click on sign in button. And over here guys, as you can see that I am also getting the revenue. I have got $0.57. So first of all guys, you have to add your app by clicking this app section, and then you will click on add app button. And over here guys, if your app is published on Google Play Store or App Store, you could select yes, but my app isn't published on both of stores, so I will go with no. And over here guys, I will write my app name. So like fizz, I am just typing like this. So I will click on Android and then leave it like this and add. Over here guys, now we will click on create ad unit, and as you can see that they have given us only two options, banner id and interstitial id. So we will first create a banner ad unit. So now we have to name this ad unit. So just I am like 123, or then we will click on advanced setting. We will have to scroll down and turn on ECPM floor, and over here guys, you have to enter the value, that minimum amount of ad you want. So I will just type is $0.15, and then I will click on add country specific. Then we have to select all the countries, so like this. Then we have to scroll down, and then we have to click on create ad unit. And over here guys, our ad unit is successfully created. Now we have to just copy this id, banner ad id, and then we have to paste it over here, control V. And then now we have to create an interstitial ad unit. So we will just click on done, and we will again click on add ad unit, and now interstitial one. So select, and over here guys, 4 5 6, and then we will click on advanced setting, scroll down, enable eCPM floor, and over here 0.15, add country specific floor. Then we will select all the countries over here. Then we will click on create add unit. Now guys, your interstitial add unit is created successfully. Now we have to copy this interstitial ID and we have to paste it over here. Now we will click on save add units. So guys, as you can see that our Google Admob account is also connected, and we also added small banner ID and interstitial ID to our app. So our app is now got monetized. So guys, just you have to do is to download your APK from here, like skip to a, and it would take some time to build your app. And now friends, from here you could download your app. So guys, just you have to click on save button, and now your app got downloaded. So friends, as you can see that our app is now downloaded. Just we have to transfer this app to our mobile phone. So over here guys, I have opened my app is blogging, and so guys, my app is open now. And guys, our app, look at this friends, the ads are loading and it's showing the ads. You have monetized your app successfully. So it will show 2 ads in 2 minutes. Look at this, these banner ads are also coming. So guys, this was the video. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video. Tada, bye bye.